If Lucidchart is showing an offline error or a connection problem, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing your diagrams without wasting time. This usually happens because of a corrupted browser cache, a temporary login issue, or a network restriction blocking Lucidchart from connecting properly. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, do a hard refresh of the Lucidchart page. A normal refresh can sometimes reload the same broken version from your browser cache, so we want to force the browser to pull a fresh copy. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and L. After that, wait a few seconds and check whether Lucidchart loads normally again. This simple step often clears up the offline message right away. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is opening Lucidchart in an incognito or private browsing window. This is important because extensions, cookies, or saved site data in your regular browser session can sometimes interfere with the connection. On Chrome, open a new incognito window. On Firefox or Safari, open a private window. Then sign into Lucidchart again and try opening the same document. If it works in private mode, that tells you the issue is likely tied to your browser data or an extension. Now let's clear the browser cache and cookies because corrupted temporary files are one of the most common causes of this offline loop. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the Clear Browsing Data window, set the time range to All Time. Then make sure the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. Once that's done, click Clear Data. After clearing everything, close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Lucidchart. This step alone solves the issue for a lot of users. If Lucidchart still says offline, the next thing to check is your network and any VPN you might be using. VPNs, firewalls, school networks, and company networks can sometimes block Lucid servers without you realizing it. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it fully and try again. If that doesn't help, switch to a different internet connection, like a mobile hotspot, and test Lucidchart there. If Lucidchart works on the hotspot but not on your regular Wi-Fi, then your main network is probably the source of the problem. In that case, you may need to change networks or ask your IT team to allow Lucidchart traffic. Another useful fix is to duplicate the document into a new file. If only one specific Lucidchart document is having problems, the file itself may have a saving issue or a corrupted state. Go to your Lucid Documents dashboard, find the broken document, right-click it or open the three-dot menu and choose Make a Copy. Then open the new duplicated version and see if the error goes away. If the copy loads properly, that usually means the original document had a file-specific issue. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the Lucidchart offline error. In most cases, the solution is a force refresh, clearing cache and cookies, or testing on a different network. If you want the quickest path, start with the refresh, then private browsing, then the full cache clear, and finally the network check. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.